Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we are going to discuss the comprehensive checklist for college placements. So, if you are a computer science student preparing for your college placements, then this video is for you. Even though if you're not a computer science student and want to come into the software side, want to crack the software jobs, then you can also watch this video because you will get a step-by-step roadmap and you will also get to know what all things you need to learn and prepare. So let's get started. The first and the most important thing is to choose a programming language, be it Python, C++, or Java. I highly recommend you to learn either C++ or Java, one from that, and Python is up to you. If you want to learn Python, you can learn. Most of the people who work on data science and machine learning use Python a lot because it is considered as an easiest language. And other than that, if you're not a computer science student, if you are from other backgrounds like electronics and mechanical, and you want to come into this computer field, you want to come to this software field, then Python is the easiest one to learn. So you can start with Python. But if you have enough time to prepare, then I highly recommend you to use C++ or Java because these two are extremely used in the industry. And if you're planning to do competitive programming like in CodeChef, then I recommend you to choose C++ because it has various features like high speed, high performance, STL, standard library, which is used for competitive programming. If not, you can choose Java. Java is a very good performance. You can do development with Java. You can also do DSA in Java. Java is an amazing language. Moving ahead, once you choose which language to learn, what all things you are supposed to learn. You need to understand the basic introduction and you need to learn the basic fundamentals of the language like variables, data types, operators, etc. Once you are familiar with all these three keywords, variables, data types, and operators, then you can start learning control statements, which means if else statements, loops, while loop, for loop, do while loop, switch cases, all these control statements you can learn. Once you're done with that, you can learn about the functions, how to write a function in programming language. So all these six are very very important, are the main fundamentals of this programming language. Once you're done with this, for example, if you choose C++, it has different oops. If for example if you choose Java, it has different oops. So object oriented programming concepts, they're almost same, but there is a slight difference in different languages. So whatever is the programming language you choose, based on that learn the OOP concepts. So these are the seven main things you need to learn in a programming language. So the first step we are done, that is programming language and learning it. Once you are fluent with the programming language, fluent as in once you are able to write the code and print it, then move to data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms is a very important topic, very crucial topic for placements. It is huge and it takes a lot of time to master. So the only key is consistency. If you practice it, you will definitely get it. By the way, in this channel we have this complete DSA course in Java for placements, which is ongoing. So if you want to have a look, please have a look. So we have a wide range of data structures and algorithms here. Pause this video and take a screenshot because all these data structures, all these algorithms are very important for your placements. How to prepare data structures and algorithms? Because this is such a huge topic, difficult topic, I'll give you a simplest approach on how to prepare. So let's see. The first step is to learning the fundamentals. For example, in this list, for example, I chose linked list data structure. In the linked list data structure, you can first, as in the first step, you can learn the fundamentals. Fundamentals means the basic concept. What is a linked list? How linked list works? How the memory is allocated? How what are the operations like insertions, deletions, etc. How to access an element in between? What is the time complexity? What is the space complexities? All these things comes under the fundamentals. The second step is to do the implementation. There are different types of linked list like singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list. You implement all these three in the language you've chosen. For example, if you are preparing Java, Then implement all these three types of linked list in Java. Learn the implementation, because this is very important in college placements. During interviews, it is very likely to ask the implementations. Moving ahead, the third and the most important step: start solving problems, beginning with the easy ones, slowly increasing the difficulty. And where to solve the problems. You have many websites for it for free, like Geeks for Geeks, Coding Ninjas, Lead Code, and many more. So you can choose any one of the website, go to the data structure, and start solving the problem from easy level. Similarly, do these three steps for each and every data structure and algorithms, and I'm sure you will master it. Moving ahead, so we are done with the two steps. First, learning the programming language. Second, the DSA. The third comes the most important thing asked in almost all the interviews, that is core subjects. The core subjects is the core computer science subjects like computer networks, operating system, DBMS. These three are the most important, because no matter what company you're giving, these three topics are included in your interview process for sure. For example, if a company is DBMS based, like an Oracle company, which is database based, and in that company's interview, you might find more questions on DBMS. For example, a networks company like Cisco, a lot of questions on computer networks is asked there. But in general, no matter what the company is, the questions on core subjects is mandatory in your interviews. So keeping your fundamentals strong in these three things is very important. You don't need to go extremely deep with the concepts. You should know the fundamentals. So make sure you learn the fundamentals of computer networks, operating system, DBMS very well. Other than that, you also have object oriented programming concepts, the OOP concepts. So as I already discussed earlier, OOP concepts will be different in different languages, slightly different in different languages. So whatever language you're going to choose, be it C++, Python or Java, based on that language, learn OOP concepts, because it is also a very common thing to ask in interviews. Moving ahead, projects. Having projects in your resume, the two very good projects in your resume, is very important. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss projects in different domains, how to build them. I'm going to give you resources and all the secrets you need to know to build a perfect project. So please stay tuned with our channel. Get placed soon. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Get placed soon.